GMC truck at your New England GMC truck dealer and
Here we
get
go,
a free
dude.
ski pass to Attitash Bear Peak. GMC truck, the official vehicle of Attitash Sugarbush Ski 93 in
Great.
Ski, New Hampshire.
What do you have to
Purchase
say for
required.
yourself?
You must be a licensed driver 18 years or older.
You like the
Offer runs
skating?
from January 23rd to February 19th,
Are you gonna-
1995. See dealer for details.
Skiing? With the weather we've been having?
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Good job, Danielle.
There is snow in the mountains, and we'll take you there with the WHEB Ski Bus to Attitash, Saturday, February 4th. Just $10 per person gets you a Burger King breakfast, lift ticket, and round-trip transportation.
We're just starting to learn how to ice skate,
It's an
huh?
all-day trip celebrating the opening of Pinball Alley, the new snowboard park at Attitash.
How old are you,
Just
D?
buy your tickets at WHEB during regular business hours, Monday through Friday, 8:30
I don't
to
think we can
5:30.
see that through your
Then get
gloves,
set to
huh?
board the bus with Lori
How many
D.
is that? Why
Bus
don't
is
you tell
alcohol
me?
and chemical-free. A ski bus to Attitash, Saturday, February 4th. $10 for breakfast.
Can you tell me
lift
how
ticket,
old
and
you are?
round-trip transport. It's all
Don't
from
take your
Attitash,
mittens off,
Burger
it's
King,
okay.
snowboard off, chuck roast, and the station that takes you to where the snow is.
Rock
How
and
many?
roll 100.3 WHEB.
Wow.
Peekaboo!
Nice day, Rach, huh? Sun's out. It's about 30 degrees. Aerosmith on the radio. Now I'm trying to forget you. Let me see you skate around again, Danielle, on the camera one more time. Atta girl. Atta girl. Does she have her ice skates on? Danielle, the ice is over here. Hey, let me see you skate around the circle.
I want you to take a picture of me and my